Hey everyone, it's that time again. I was just running my ACs. I don't know if we can get the Frigidaire to click. Gold Star works. The LG, the LG Energy Saver works. My LG 5000 works. GE 5150 and my Arctic King works. See? Can't even hear the click on this one. There. See, look. It's kind of really odd. Alright. We're going to start up the LG. First of all. Alright. It's going to be vibrating a little bit. So, this is a Queen Anne rotary. We're going to start it up in 3. Low fan first. This thing's silent. Alright. Now, 3, 2, 1. This thing's silent. This thing's quiet. No problems. My carrier will be doing later because my dad had to drop something off. This works. Here's the Energy Saver. This one's gonna, when I turn this one on, this one's gonna rattle a lot. This Frigidaire maybe not gonna be in the video. Probably. I don't know why the compressor won't come on. The temp gun, I brought it from home. 50. Wow. Okay, this thing works. Put it on high. If I put it outside, I think it's gonna be a little chilly. Alright, we're getting down. Back to low. Oh my god, this thing's silent. Oh, let me switch hands. This thing's silent. It's quiet. Let me start the fan. It's high. There. Oh, we're getting cold, man. Jeez. This thing's getting cold. Here's the model number. LW5015E. This is a 5000. This is a LW5016. This is gonna rattle a lot. 38. Oh, alright, let's shut this down. This thing's... I can't even hear the click on that thing. Low fan. That's energy. Okay. Now, the LG LW5016. Oh, Jesus. How could that be hard for me to unplug? Oh, that's the Frigidaire plug. Where's... There. This one's gonna rattle a lot. High cool. I mean, low... I'm starting on low cool. This has the LG compressor. This is the newer LG rotaries. It's gonna rattle. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. That thing rattled. That thing is shaking. Frigidaire compressor. I don't think we're gonna get this on. This is a GMCC. That Gold Star we can get on. Oh god. How is this one rattling? Where's my temp gun? Oh, there it is. This thing getting cold. Oh, this thing's getting cold quick. Put on low, see what we're getting. 60. Oh. The Frigidaire, I don't know if we can get the fan to get on. Oh my god, that thing just did. That thing shakes. Alright. This is starting to get annoying, so I'm gonna shut it down. Capacitor start. Still clicks. Now, the Frigidaire. Let's see what. The Frigidaire 6000 BTU. Like, I can't believe like that AC works. I can't carry my carrier one because it's too big and then it's really heavy. There you go. I'll put things by the compressor in case if it comes on. It's hot enough. I don't see any compression. No compression. We're going out 70, so it's not really a fan. We're going 60. That's not doing anything. What the frick? Skip this one because the compressor's not kicking on. I think it need to be. I think it might be. It maybe need a. It might have to be a good temperature for it to kick. Excuse me. Now we're gonna do the Gold Star, or the King, and then the GE 5000 with the G50, which has an OG. Put the. Alright. We'll put you guys by the compressor so you guys will hear it. It's the Gold Star is gonna rattle, kinda. It is gonna. Alright. We're gonna start it in 3, 2, 1. Put it on 68. Ooh. That's not good. Refrigerant's going off. I like the hum on it too. It's getting hot. Real hot in the back. So this unit does take the front. Ooh. I don't think we have ice. Oh, we have ice here. Oh god, it's rattling. Put the filter back in. It's rattling. I'll put in an energy saver. Oh, we're getting cold, right? Just turn it off. Turn energy saver off. Wow, that's freaking cold. Put it on dry. What did dry do? Nothing. I think it just shuts off and go back on. Oh, okay, we're getting somewhere. Do you have any ice? Any ice? Oof. Yeah, I don't think we have ice. No, not at all. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, it's hot in the back. We got 82 degrees. Wow. So this thing does work. This is going to be my bedroom unit. Because I like Gold Star. Ooh, okay, we're getting somewhere. Kind of high cool. Oh, we're getting cold. There's no way. Put it back to low. That compressor sounds angry. But for what reason, I'm still going to use it when it gets hot again. Out here, it's 50 degrees. How is it 50? It's like 60 outside. I think in here it's like 62. Alright, I'm gonna shut this thing off. It's starting to get me crazy. Oh my god. Finally, silence. Now, GE will do. We're gonna do the GE. And then the Arctic King will be last. And then I think I might do a video on the Carrier. The first compressor start up on the Carrier. I gotta plug this one in. We'll set her to low cool. Ooh. Starting low fan. Actually, never mind. Compressor in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Never started in a long time. This one needs to be cleaned. Ooh. Not this time? Alright, I gotta let the compress the... I gotta let the pressure equalize so the compressor will restart. There. Not fast. The high give a little super boost because I know these fan motors are weak. Let me get my temp gun again. Where the hell is it? Are you kidding? Oh, it's right here. 70. It's refrigerant still. How much is a compressor? 74. This has no G rotary. Last time it was getting cold, because the last time I started this up was probably around January. You guys can see the video right there. I might take this all out and clean it because it looks disgusting. Probably spitting shit out. Like, cool. Yeah, it's not getting cold. Huh. Gotta wait. Jesus. Sorry. Let the compressor equal. Gotta let the pressure equalize again. See, what about now? Not yet. I mean, the Energy Saver 5000 LG works amazing. One day I'll use it for my bedroom unit. The LG, right, my main one, it's just, I just don't like, I just like that one. It's a unique air conditioner. There, save for now. There. Holy shit, that's loud. That's a weak fan motor, too. There. I'm gonna let this run for a little bit, probably, because this is gonna refrigerant. These units haven't been ran for a long time. I might run this one for a little bit because I know it's not gonna get cold. Put the louver that way. The straights. I'm over here so it doesn't blow my face. 60. Ooh. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Install it. Oh, hold on. Ooh, alright, put it back to high, give it a little super boost. Ooh, it's getting cold. Ooh. Ooh. Right back to low. Holy shit, that means it's coming down. Let's see what we got in the back. Ooh, it's warm. 67, 68, not too bad. 51, 50. And it's kind of flat actually. Ooh, okay, we're going. Oh, okay, this thing works. I thought it was low in Freon. It may be low in Freon. The compressor's flat on it. We're getting 47. Ooh, okay, this one works. All these work. Frigidaire, I need to find out how the compressor will get on, because the compressor won't cooperate with getting on. And fan motor in there looks weak. But this thing, no, the bearings are a little bad. 40. Oh, okay, we're getting somewhere. 45. Oh, I don't think we're getting. Oh, alright, shut it off. Alright. Now the Arctic King 5000. I gotta unplug it. Oh. The compressor's gonna be fine on this one. I'm not gonna use it because Windows sides are broken and I'm good. Paying probably hundreds of dollars just to get these. There we go. This has a GMCC rotary. Obviously, I think I could, I'll put my phone right. Put the, there. 3, 2, 1. We're starting to look cool. Oof, it's not even. Not getting cold. It's not cold yet. It's getting cold now. You really never should. Huh. Why is this one not clicking? I think I put it in between. Yeah, you really shouldn't be putting it in between speeds. This one hasn't ran for such a long time. All these ACs over here haven't ran for a long time. Here's a fan. We're getting 50, 60. Okay, this is gonna have to run for a long time. Okay. That's accurate. Wow. That's low. Oh, we're getting cold. 30, it was at just 39. Shut it off now. Oh, it clicks now. About these two. Yep. I'm gonna figure out how the compressor's not gonna come on this Frigidaire, but off camera. Alright, guys. That's it for today. Hope you guys see you in the next one. Out.